Spinner is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. The table below shows the probability of obtaining each number with one spin. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probability 0.15, 0.24, 0.12. This one's missing. And 0.05. Complete the table by finding the probability of obtaining 4 with one spin. Each time you score 4, you win £1.20. Otherwise, you will lose the 20p you paid to play the game. Calculate the net gain if you play the game 200 times. So, the sum of the probabilities of any experiment is equal to 1. We'll call this P, the one that we want to find. Then 0.15 plus 0.24 plus 0.12 plus P plus 0.05 will be equal to 1. So P plus 0.56 is equal to 1. So P will be equal to 0.44. All these probabilities have to add up 1. Right, so making our table, we've got 0.44 here. Here we will win £1.20, but we will also lose 20p because for playing the game. And each of the other times we will just lose 20p. So we'll lose 0.2 of a pound. So the expected number of wins in 200 games will be 200 times the probability, which is 200 times 0.44, which gives me 88 games. So the net gain will be 88 times £1.20, but for the 200 times you will have to pay 20p. So you will lose 200 times 0.20. So the net gain will be £65.60. Okay, so this has been a video to work out probabilities from a table and to find the net gain if you play the game. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.